Allahu Akbar, Allah.
Tampa, welcome to Tampa.
Finally, we are
City,
here.
Sunshine City. Alhamdulillah, we're able to make it.
All the way from Houston.
What? All the way?
And all the way from Canada.
All the way from Canada.
All the way from Canada, from Calgary.
Wow. Allahu Akbar Kabira.
We are all welcome to Tampa. We hope you have a nice time at the 2018 platform.
Absolutely. Come on out, support the program. It's been great for many, many years. I think this is year 18.
The Yorubas say, "Ọbẹ̀ tó dùn, owó ló pa." If you're able to have a program in a very beautiful hotel like this in Tampa, having like 1,000 people wanting to come to be part of this, we all know this needs funds. If you are going to have things like couples retreat, where we bring many couples together to strengthen their relationship, this needs funds. With the new matrimonial website, with the Youth Teens Council, with all the programs we are doing, all this needs funds. Many people know that the funds we are collecting, the fees we are collecting for platform, is being heavily subsidized. So this is very important for every one of us to contribute. Many people are contributing their time, their energy. Please, let's contribute some money also. We need money to execute this program.
Alhamdulillah, it is a very, very imperative program, the fundraising, for a lot of reasons. Since we started the platform in 2001, we have made the policy of not increasing the price, because if we have to provide for 4 nights of hotel accommodation, for 3 square meals, for the programs, to pay for the teachers and speakers and a lot of other things, this program averagely will run $500 per person. But because we don't want to put undue hardship on parents who spend money, some people have 3-4 kids. By the time they spend $400 or $500 on a ticket, and they pay $250 per registration, by the time we add all that up, there's no doubt we're running into a negative. The only way we are able to, accommodate and recover part of the cost is this fundraising. And alhamdulillah, over the past years, it has been successful. We really need to do fundraising to be able to cover up for the cost. It's not because of any other thing, but just to be able to cover up for the cost. So it is very important for us to do fundraising at the Gala night. Not only that, it's a show of like our native culture. We have attires, and it has been modified over the years. But importantly, for us to be able to continue to do this program and to break even.
Inshallah.
This is a noble cause that all of us should be committed to spending to. And, for this platform this year, and when we include our Vision 2025 priority initiative, we're looking about $300,000 to $400,000. That's not cheap.
Ooh.
So we expect our guests, our special guests, our attendees, our participants to support us, to invest in us, invest in our programs, so that we could do more, not only this year, but even for the future. That's my request.
Today, we have children, some of us grandchildren, some of us great-grandchildren. What have we planned for them? What is the strategy so that when we are no more here tomorrow, they are able to continue with the legacy. What is the plan? And I would salute you, the council. Wallahi, may Allah continue to help you. It is not going to be easy for people who know what bringing people together means. There are struggles.
I think it's very important. We need to groom our young adults or our children, our little kids, to become responsible adults. And that will be part of the Vision 2025 that we've been talking about.
Vision 2025, what is it about? What we're saying is, in the year 2025, where do you or do we want to see ourselves? Where do we place ourselves in the year 2025? So we need to plan. We need to plan ahead. We need to work towards where we envision ourselves to be. And we have a lot of projects that we are embarking on to make us a better community and to also contribute to the community at large by the year 2025, to be able to be placed better than where we are now. One of it, there are many of them, and all of them requires funding to enable us to get to where we are aiming at. The overall effect is to improve the quality of our members, within the community, so that by the year 2025 we have better community members, better nation, both in Nigeria and here in America.
At least 1/3 of our children will be people that will be having terminal degrees, like JD, MD, PhD, DSc, DDS, PharmD, and so on and so forth. All those degrees that have nice D's in them, DPT, and so on, so that they have doctorate degrees, essentially.
Salam alaikum, brother.
Wa alaikum salam to Allah.
What's your name?
Kamaldeen.
Allahu Akbar. Which chapter are you from?
I'm from Dallas.
You're from Dallas?
Yeah.
Have you ever been to any of this platform program before?
No, this is my first time.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
How did you know about platform?
In our mocks, they told me about platform that is always fun and exciting, and you get to meet friends and have mixed with others from different states. So I decided to come this year.
Allahu Akbar. Salam alaikum, sister.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
What's your name?
Sophia Lawal.
Allahu Akbar. Which chapter are you from?
California.
California, Hollywood. Now, before now, you've heard about platform program, right?
Yes.
Have you been able to go to any of them before now?
No.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
That is awesome. Now, tell us something that you learn in this program that makes you really happy.
In the lecture, I learned about the 10 companions and how we should copy them to know about Iman. And I also learned about to be tolerant with people and to be patient, that everyone is not like you.
What's the maximum you think somebody can put down tonight?
Wallahi, 5,000 is not too bad, maybe 10. And we have to remember it's tax deductible, right?
Yep. We actually do have to do fundraising. By the time you look at as the former financial secretary of the organization, by the time you add the room cost, you add the food cost, breakfast cost, we actually are running this program at a loss. So we do implore everybody, for the sake of Allah, to open their purses and help the organization.
They launch beautiful things and they put the seed there and we are eating the fruit today. In order for those people who are coming after us to eat the fruit, then we have to plant something for them. Planting for them needs dollars. It needs what? It needs dollars. Inshallah. And this dollar is what we're going to have to, inshallah, to contribute. Now, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us in the Quran, الذين ينفقون أموالهم في سبيل الله كمثل حبة أنبتت سبع سنابل في كل سنبلة 100 حبة. Those people who are spending their money in the cause of Almighty Allah, they are investing. They are doing what? They are investing.
program is the organizers of this program. They are trying a lot. I remember in the past when I was not part of the planning, I didn't know that it takes so much energy and money. So all of us, we just need to come together, donate to the cause of Allah cheerfully, and we raise money and reach out to our friends in our communities to donate to us so that we can expand this program and have a beautiful program from now on.
As Amir, I see you just racking your brain on how this thing will be succeeding every year. What's your own comment about this, sir?
So I'll take a different approach. So so I'll take over Yoruba. You can ask for somebody beside you to translate. NCNMO, one need the supporting, one they need the supporting financially. So ni program by OTD don fún gbogbo wa ka dáwó, because owó tẹ́ bá dá lówó yín, owó tẹ́ save sínú Chase Bank àbí Wells Fargo àbí Bank of America àbí tẹ́ tọ́jú sábẹ́ pillow kò kí n ṣòwò yín rárá o. So in view of this, I think it has become tipátipá fún wa láti dáwó, and there is nothing too small. I think NCNMO, they've taken great strides over the last 1 year. They've done a lot of things and they want to do more. And for them to do more, we are going to dawo in a very, very big way. So long are they back for us.
Lára síkìrì olówó títàlíkà òní, òun ni ọ̀nà owó rẹ̀, síkìrì tí èlú. Tí ó bá náwó rẹ̀ tó tẹ̀lé sí Kárúnà ó tẹ̀lé sí. Kí ló tẹ̀lé sí Kárúnà? Ọlọ́run sọ fún wa fakhasafna bihi wa bidarihi al-ard fama kana lahu min fi'atin yansurunahu min dunillah wa ma kana min al-muntasirin. Ọkọ̀ fún Musa, azikiri olówó kò sí, owó rẹ̀ portion kan bẹ́ẹ̀ ìwọ kò ní, ọkàn fi ọ sọ ni. Tama sọ̀rọ̀ azikiri ọkàn yóò ní lọ bí owó bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni azikiri rẹ̀ at that point in time oníkọ́ náwó ẹ̀wà rí trick ti bẹ́ẹ̀ bí ká náwó tó wà ń bẹ̀ tó le ní wípé owó tó bá ná fẹ́ni tí ò béèrè tó need. Wallahi owó ní ládájú.
Nígbà tí àwọn ọ̀lẹ́ ń tẹ̀lé àfà, wọ́n ní àwọn ará Yorùbá yàtọ̀ ń gbà ní. Ọmọ bá fún mi lọ́mọ tó wù mí rọ̀bí Ọlọ́run, fún mi lọ́mọ tó wù mí. Ọmọ tí ó di ìlọ́yà, ọmọ tí ó dáadáa jọ, fún mi lọ́mọ tí ó wù mí. Bàtí àwọn adájọ́ náà wá rọrùn, wọ́n yà àfá tí wọ́n wà lóòbò, wọ́n yọrí wọn padà pé fún mi lọ́mọ tí ó wù mí rọ̀bí Ọlọ́run, fún mi lọ́mọ tí ó wù mí, fún mi lọ́mọ tí ó wù mí rọ̀bí Ọlọ́run, fún mi lọ́mọ tí ó wù mí. Wọ́n lọ́mọ tí ó ké ewu kàwé Barhama, fún mi lọ́mọ tí ó wù mí. Ládùúgbò wa ní Houston, wọ́n lọ́mọ tí ó kéwú kàwé bíi ti Ramani, fún mi lọ́mọ tí ó wù mí. Ní Dallas, wọ́n lọ́mọ tí ó kéwú kàwé bíi ti Yushau, fún mi lọ́mọ tí ó wù mí. Àwọn ìlànà wọn ní ọmọ bíi Adélẹ́yẹ ló wù mí, Ọlọ́run yá. Ọlálẹ́yẹ ló wù mí, Ọlọ́run Sàtíyà, fún mi lọ́mọ tí ó wù mí. Nígboro Ìbàdàn wọn lọ́mọ bí Akóredé máa ló wù mí, Ọlọ́run yá Rọ̀bì, fún mi lọ́mọ tí ó wù mí. Ọmọ tí ó kéwú kàwé bíi ti Barhama, fún mi lọ́mọ tí ó wù mí. Ọlọ́run tẹ́ á bá máa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́. àwọn ọmọ kí wọn náà àwọn wọ jíǹsì táwọn wọ sùwẹ́tà yìí o láti mẹ́rin èbó yìí o ẹ̀rù sí ń bá àwọn ìyá ìtẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ náà nù tọ́lá wọn lè kékọ̀ọ́ nílò lọ́lú èbó àwọn kan tí wọ́n kàwé wọ́n ń bẹ ní ẹ́mbásì dọ̀la wọn ò sì ní fún wọn ní visa torí wọn ò ní fàtí àtàwọn kàkà tó lọ bẹ̀.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
èyí tí ń jẹ́ àwọn ti tẹ́lẹ̀ káwọn àwọn tó débẹ̀ àwọn kọ́lọ̀ òyìnbó wọ̀rọ̀ òun ni wọ́n bá jẹ̀ wá ní
visa. Allahu Akbar!
kámi akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wọn tó yẹ ká àtàwọn yìí.
Allahu Akbar!
nígbà wo nìkan kò ní bá.